Hi, just starting some journal pages. This is one of those Arnold Grumbacher in and out journals, and I'm going to pull a couple of pages out of here and do a double page spread. I was inspired by the prompt thick out of our August list, so I'm going to make some thick pages. So here we go. Hey guys, these are some pages that I actually started before the derecho straight line winds hit Iowa in August. That was August 10th, and this is the 17th of September. So this is the first time I've actually attempted to go back to my studio and videotape. So bear with me. It's been a while since I've done anything. But I'm just going to finish these up. These are, I was inspired by the list that we had in Art Joyous Sharing, which was an abstract list, but one of the prompts was thick. So I'm using some thicker elements to create this page. So I'm just going to get some glue out and start layering some of these thick things down. You can use any of those glues. You can use a glue stick, whatever you want. I've got a number of different things here. Tacky glue is a really good one to use. Just, whatever you've got on hand. Let's see, where do I want this? I think about there. And these are some of those Tim Holtz elements, I think. I think that's what they are. I've got several things picked out here that I think I want to use. I'm not sure exactly where they're going to go on here, but I think I want these birds. think they need to come down further on the page. Maybe down here, add a little something behind, and where do I want this? Maybe something in here. Yeah, we'll just go with something like that for now. No, I don't think I like that there. I think I want that up here somewhere. All right, so let's glue some of this down. This is just a piece of packaging, you know, regular old packaging. Let me get some tacky glue out here. Tacky glue is actually cheaper than the art glitter glue, but I really like the art glitter glue too, especially if you're doing small things. I like putting this tip on there. So let me get this tacky glued down here. So I hope you guys were able to play along. You know, even if you didn't do all of that stuff in August, which I obviously didn't because I was tackling trees and stuff on top of things, and, you know, I dealt with what had to be dealt with. Yesterday I was with a plumber all day, putting in new stuff in the kitchen, so, and the bath. But, you know, do what you can do. Let's see, do I want this above? Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to stick that in there. Put a little glue under there. And then I made a mess. So get my rag. And clean some of that up. Let's see. Thought I wanted this here. I've got excess glue here, so let me clean that off. Get a little rambunctious with the glue. This has a bigger opening, which is what happens when you don't put one of those tips on there. So I'm going to glue that down. And then this, with Brave Wings She Flies, I think I'm going to go okay, this needs to come up a little bit like so. And I'm going to edge this. Let me just get some tree branch. Darken up that edge a little bit. Don't really want to see the chipboard. So I will do that and glue this down. And then I need to put a weight on that to hold everything down. So let me just get a thing like this. And let's do the other side while we're at it. Let's see, what do I want here? I've got this. Maybe this. I'm just collaging with collage elements. This is no heavy brain work. This is just, you know, putting stuff down. I think I want to edge this one too. And this is archival ink. It's permanent. And I like the colors. You know me, I like my browns. And blues. I got browns and blues in here. Browns and blues are a nice combination for me, I think. I think they make a nice combo. Got some glue coming out. I still need to clean up. Okay. So I will finish gluing this up and give you some final shots. And that'll be a page or a spread in my Arnold Grumbacher book. These are those pages that pull out. Just going to get some glue on here. Let's see, where do I want this? About, I think I want to cluster this way a little bit. I should be standing up so I can see if I'm getting these things on here straight, but I didn't. That's okay. All right, I've got some of these little hoo-has here. Let's get some of these down. Little tags and ephemera. Make a quick and easy spread. Let's go across this way and join those pieces together by doing so. And I'll add this. And another. These are really cool. They're just, you know, reduced in size. Probably something he picked up in an antique mall. Have to hold those down a little bit, make them stay. And I'll need to get another block for this side to hold this in place. I think I want a butterfly, since we're doing wing things here. And I've got excess on here, so let me take some of that glue off. Onto this piece, I'm going to add this butterfly here, and maybe a floral note there. Get my rag, put that down. Where do I want this? Let's get another little letter here. And this is when nothing is sure, everything is possible. Boy, is that so true. I've had a lot of uncertainty this month, and I had great possibilities too, because I've been able to do some things that I've put off for a long period of time. So I'll put that down, get something to hold it in place, and give you some final shots. So thanks for joining me today, guys. And I hope you join us on Art Joy Sharing. It's a Facebook group, and we also do a live show on Art Joy Sharing each Thursday, 10:30 Central Standard Time, where I share a live show platform with Shel C of Paper Octio Studio. So I'll see you there. Bye.